Are you tired of feeling like your salary disappears before you even have a chance to enjoy it? You're not alone, many young professionals feel the same way. But what if I told you that with a few smart moves, you can start making the most of your salary? Today, we are diving into some practical financial strategies that can truly change your life. Understanding how to handle your money is not just important, it's essential for building a secure future. So stick around. Let's break down the vital steps you can take to stop wasting your salary. First things first, let's talk about budgeting. Creating a budget is the foundation of managing your finances. Start by writing down all your income sources. Then list your fixed expenses, things like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Next, add variable expenses like groceries and entertainment. Now, here's the thing. It's important to track every rupee coming in and going out. Use a simple app or even a spreadsheet to stay organized. This will help you see where your money is really going. You might find surprising areas where you can cut back. Next up, let's discuss the 50-30-20 rule. This guideline suggests you spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and save or invest 20%. It's a straightforward way to ensure you are living within your means while also saving for the future. Now, let's move on to an often overlooked topic, saving for emergencies. Life can throw unexpected expenses your way, car repairs, medical bills, or even job loss. Having an emergency fund can save you from stress and debt. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. But how do you start? Begin with small amounts. If you can, set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month from your salary. This way, you won't miss the money, and your savings will gradually build up. While we're on the topic of savings, let's talk about retirement. I know. You might be thinking, I'm too young to worry about that, but trust me, starting early can make a huge difference. If your employer offers a retirement plan, take advantage of it. Even if you can only contribute a small amount, it's better than nothing. And if they match contributions, don't leave that free money on the table. Another important move is to avoid high-interest debt. Credit card debt can quickly become a financial nightmare. If you have any credit card balances, focus on paying those off as quickly as possible. Consider using the snowball or avalanche methods. The snowball method suggests paying off the smallest debts first, while the avalanche method targets the highest interest debts. Choose the method that feels right for you, but make sure to tackle those debts head on. Now let's shift gears to spending wisely. Before making any purchase, ask yourself, is this a need or a want? This simple question can help you make better spending choices. And when it comes to big purchases, give yourself a cooling off period. Instead of buying on impulse, wait a day or two. You might find that you no longer want the item. Another smart financial move is to set financial goals. Having clear, achievable goals can keep you motivated. Whether it's saving for a new car, a vacation, or a down payment on a home, define what you're working towards. Break these goals down into smaller milestones so you can celebrate progress along the way. Lastly, let's talk about investing. Investing might sound intimidating, but starting early can lead to great rewards. Look into basic options like index funds or ETFs, which tend to have lower fees and less risk. Even a small monthly investment can accumulate over time. Use technology to your advantage. There are apps designed to help you invest with little money and no experience. Remember, the earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compounding interest. So there you have it, smart financial moves every young professional must know. Start budgeting, save for emergencies, avoid high-interest debt, and consider investing. These steps can put you on the path to financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing money smartly. Let's take control of our finances together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.